low. I think it was low. That dryer sitting in the dirt. I didn't bring my leak detector with me, even though I do have a book bag now full of all my tools. So fire up my testos here. See what's going on. I think it's low, but it's weird that it's not, you know, cutting out on a low switch. I barely got any hits off of that. So. Low, but I don't think it's low enough to kick off on low pressure, so definitely has a leak. Could hook up all the temperatures if y'all wondering. Guess I don't have this set up again. I mean, the lines are at room temperature, so there's no point in me doing what I'm just doing. No, not looking good. This unit's the same size as the ones on the roof. PSI. Now I think it's low. I'm gonna take a picture of the unit. I'm just gonna email it to my boss. I'm gonna email him all these numbers and whatnot. Anyway, since it most likely does have a leak, we don't repair leaks. I can charge the unit one though, but I'm not going to do that if they're going to come out here and have to pump this unit down and redo the dryer. So, I mean, I can tell it was low just by putting on the pros. Like, it went like not cool. Okay guys, so right about here I get called saying that our AC guys are on the property and he is actually working on another unit, and I politely asked him if he could come and take a look at this one. It was leaking from the reversing valve is what he figured out. And so it's nothing I could have done. I don't do brazing. We don't do repairs. And I got called for another AC unit. So let's go take a look at that one right now. Hey guys, I'm back again with another AC video. Ooh, look at all that ice. Ooh, when it melts, it's quite moist. It really is. My fan's not running.
Hopefully it's a cat. Just put her scooter over here to hold the door. The only reason I'm taking this off is I want to check that cat. And give us a nice room in here. All I had to do was move this over 2 fucking inches. And the bolt goes in there. This bolt's not in there. Somebody left me a CO2 cartridge. Check that out. CO2 cartridge. Full. Well, I smell it already. As soon as I take off the door, I can smell it. Something's burning up. And it's the windings or the transformer. Those are the only 2 things in that air conditioner that really have enamel coated wiring in them. And I can smell that lovely enamel coating. Ooh, that thing is hot. Yes, the power's off, guys. Wow, that's not even a real transformer that goes in there. Let's see if this is a puffer cap. If it's blown, I could get lit. It's not puffed.
Right up to Tim.
And I don't have my, I didn't bring my meter.
I have a gentleman here.
This was, as I was walking by, they called and I said, oh hell, yeah, I'll go take a look at it. So, that thing's hotter than fire. This whole fan shroud. Hold on, my question is, what kind of motor is that? Because usually it sticks out. What the hell? Hold on. It's on the other side here. No, I don't want to touch those because usually these discharge guys, when the motor is working, if the motor's not working, it could potentially hold a charge. And this motor is just, oh, it's on fire. It is, woo. Okay. There you go. PSC motor is burned out in here. I'm going to go see if I can get some spare parts or whatever. And see if we can get this back up and running. Go grab my meter too, just to probe around, just in case. Might just bring my whole book back. I don't know. It's another froze up unit. There's Jeff, the maintenance man, right there. A lot of frost on that coil. And I just feel heat coming out of here. Like, that motor's on fire. That motor's done. And I can smell it too. So, well, we're gonna go get see if we can go get a whole nother blowing housing. And I'll just slip that sucker in there. 2 screws up here, or about 4 on the top rail up here. Slide this thing out, slide a new one in, boom. If it works, it works. We'll get them through the weekend. This is the 3rd AC call that I've had in the last 30 minutes. 2 blower fans. We got a blower fan over in South 310. That's not working. We got an AC that has 39. Y'all probably already saw that video. But 39 psi and 234 on one side. This is not looking good. So, let's replace this motor. There's no, I mean, that thing is hot as fuck. Ah, shit. Yeah, the bearings are gone on this mother. It'll probably work when it cools down, but it's probably in thermal. Let's go get us some, see if we can find a motor this size, and since we have been replacing some of these, I need something that has that on the front of it to salvage the motor. Hopefully I'll get video of me salvaging the motor, and then y'all see where I get this stuff. We'll be back. Hey, you guys are way too much to know that. What the hell? do on a daily basis. Let's get this thing out of here. I'll show you why. I got this extender thing. Makes my life a lot easier. See that? There we go. It's got a little magnet on it. Super cool. Super cool. Somebody's gonna come out here in a bit, you guys. Watch. They heard that. They're coming out. Hey, at least it's thawed out. So what I'm gonna do, try to put you guys in a nonchalant location, but there's really no place to put you. See? Should have brought some extra mounting hardware for this GoPro. Jesus. Let's see. That's what we can do. There we go. You know what? Y'all really want light? We'll get you light. Just give me 1 second. I promise. I'll be right back. Uh-oh. I'll be right. Okay, where is it? Here we go. The clip light. Always a must-have. Because look. Put this here. Angle it up. Turn on the lights so you can see. I can also go like this and go up under and all sorts of stuff. But for now, since it's insulation, there's these nuts are on the bottom of this thing. This is what the GoPro camera needs. I might get me one. Actually. Or something to attach y'all on the top of my clip light like that. That would be awesome. That would be freaking awesome. And I think I have something to do that. I might start doing that. Using the clip light as a magnetic tripod. I'm going to show y'all guys real quick. And a tiny tripod I got. I'm going to unscrew you guys real quick. Set you up like over here. A little tripod. I can collapse and hold y'all guys like that. Got it. Let's clean off the lens because it's kind of dirty. Alright, here we go. See, filming takes a while. Get you guys out of here. Oh Lord. Put you in here. Gotta get her lined up. This makes it easier. Screw. There we go. Alright, got the screw. Okay. Okay, next. Back y'all up. I gotta back y'all up. See, I took a screw and that screw. There's my clip light on the door frame. Sit on top of it, I think. Somehow. Oh well. Somehow. Maybe. I can do this with you guys still there, so I'm just gonna confirm that we didn't bypass any disconnects. Seems dead to me. Dead. Okay, cool. There you go, baby. I like that. Alright, I like that. Alright, so. Alright. Dang it, man. Okay. Red. Black. Purple. Slides right. Red, black, purple. Oh, yeah. I told my boss this wasn't it. He did. It might be it. I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby. It is gonna be it. There we go. Slide her in there. Ooh, I'm sweating like a pig. Slightly smell like one too. Freaking. There we go. I love this thing, guys. It's cheap, but so freaking awesome. And then you put a magnetic bit on there. Oh yes, baby. It's definitely moist. It's red, black, purple. So I need to get you guys off the disconnect there. So what I'll probably do here, I'm gonna put a red wire right here, like that. Oops. Black wire right there, and the purple one right there. Easy as that. Let's turn her on and see if she works. Oh, great. There we go. She lives again. Anyway, let's see if I can do this again. You guys. Alright. She is working. I hear compression. She definitely works. Trust me. She was frozen up like that. Back on. Oh yeah, gotta love it. So I don't need this anymore. Just take that off. Flag. Whew, holy shit. Well, I might actually do that. The filters have been changed, guys, just a while ago, but they are cheapies. Cheapies. Oh, hold on, you know what? These aren't even the screws that go on this unit. There's one here, but I ain't putting in that little 1/4 inch. Guys, second AC call for today. I actually did fix, so sorry to blind y'all. Get the hell out of here before something else happens, right? It's a nice Monday for me. 3 AC calls. My boss just did another one like this over in South Wing, so same thing. So I told him to pull both of those motors, give me one of the motors out of that old unit. This will get them by, because we would be running out of portable units. This filter is upside down, inside out. Flat un's leaking. out of shot. Of course, it's leaking because there's so much damn water on the ice. So, guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, I appreciate it. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. There you go. Damn it. I hate doing this, but oh man, that thing's still hot. There you go. Eat your heart out. Alright, so we're good to go. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. It's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a good one, and always stay safe.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam. Everybody go party and dance. Be on the floor.